guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So this is the first video in the personal hygiene series where I'll be sharing with you guys 8 personal hygiene products that every woman should have. So this video is gonna be very useful for all you girls out there, and for guys watching the video, you can keep on watching for your mothers or your girlfriends if that makes any sense. But before we begin, a little disclaimer. I am not a professional and I'll be recommending the products because I have been using them for quite some time now. So if you're allergic to something, then use it only after getting a proper consultation with your doctor. And now let's just get started with today's video. So the very first product in the list is this Gillette Venus razor. I'm assuming that most of you are already familiar with this. It comes with removable blades, so you can easily remove the blades when it gets blunt and can replace it with a new one. Also, the blades lasts up to 3 months, but it completely depends on the usage and your hair growth. Now here's a pro tip, that you apply some soap and water and then slide the razor against your hair growth. Like for example, your hair growth is in this direction, then you'll slide it against the growth just like this, and this way you'll get a perfectly smooth skin and you'll be able to get your hairs off without any kind of pain. Next up is a loofah. It is used as an exfoliator to get rid of the dead skin cells, and I think this is the reason you should be using it. Basically, it is used by pouring some shower gel and then scrubbing all over. But even if you don't have a shower gel, you can still use it just by applying some soap and water and then scrubbing it all over your body. But make sure to be as gentle as possible. Now loofahs also comes in different shapes and sizes, as you guys can see it here. I have 3 kinds of loofahs, but it totally depends on you. You can pick any of these as per your convenience. I guess I can use it to stretch my hands but just kidding, it should be used only for what it is made for, and yeah, that's about it for loofahs. Next up, we have this set of personal hygiene tools. You can customize them as per your needs. As you guys can see it here, I have 4 different kinds of tools. This one is a nail cutter to cut your nails, so it's very basic. Next is this nail filer, which is used to give shape, or basically I would say to file your nails so that you don't hurt anyone or even yourself. Then we have these blackheads remover tool, which again is very important. And lastly, I have a pair of scissors, which is used to shape your brows or to cut your hairs. So yeah, you can do a lot of things with this scissor. So definitely have a set of tools. They are total lifesavers. Next personal hygiene product that every woman should have is a sanitizer. Because why not? We have still not overcome the COVID-19, and washing your hands with a sanitizer is one of the most important precautions that we should be taking. Also, it's not just about the whole corona situation, but it's more about your own personal hygiene. So definitely keep a sanitizer in your bag all the time. Next up is this clean and dry daily intimate wash. Now, why it is important to use this is because it helps you achieve the perfect pH balance and gently cleanses and protects your intimate area. Also, it contains natural extracts which keeps you fresh all day long. So definitely use a clean and dry or a V-wash. I will link it somewhere down there, so you can definitely go through that. Next personal hygiene product that every woman should have are these wipes. I have the soft baby wipes because they are pretty safe to use. Basically, they are used for the cleaning purpose, like you can get your makeup off, can use them when you're feeling sweaty, or imagine if you get stuck somewhere where there's no water, then you can use them to clean your hands. So definitely have or I would say definitely include wipes in your personal hygiene kit. Next product is a lip balm. I have the one from Maybelline. In case you guys are wondering why I have included a lip balm in the personal hygiene products list, then it's because your lips are as important as any other part of your body. Especially during summers, it becomes even more important to keep them hydrated. So definitely use a lip balm on a daily basis. Next up is this elbow foot knee scrub soap from Wadi Herbals. We don't usually pay a lot of attention to our elbows and knees, and this is why I have included this elbow foot knee scrub soap. It gently exfoliates your skin, leaving it all smooth and supple. It contains crushed almonds and walnuts, and you can feel it in the texture. I have been using it for a month now, and oh my god, it's such an amazing product. I highly recommend it. Do try it out because you won't regret it. Also, it retails for only 36 rupees, which is quite cheap. So yeah, do try it out. So those were the 8 personal hygiene products that every woman should have, and I hope the video was helpful. Also, more videos are coming up in the series, so stay tuned for that, and I've already provided the links in the description box below. So if you're interested, you can go through the links, and now I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye.